Hello everyone, Visa is known as the king of payment network all over the world. Visa and MasterCard have dominated the debit and credit card industry in India for 3 decades. Soon, there was one company which disrupted the market share of Visa in India, which was eventually a government entity. It's none other than Rupay. So what did a 9-year-old Rupay do to take over decades-old monopoly laid by Visa and MasterCard, which completely changed the market dynamics and brought massive change in the Indian payment network? So what happened in the next few years that the market share of Rupay went from 15% to 60%, and why did the Indian government decide to snatch the market share of big players like Visa and MasterCard, by which it suffered a huge loss? As per some resources, the combined loss of Visa and MasterCard sums around 6,000 crores, which is a pretty huge amount of loss faced by these companies. So one of the key reasons for Rupay's success was reducing the MDR. So to the people who don't know what MDR is, it's a nominal charge charged by the payment networks from banks for every transaction. For an example, you have a bank account in Kotak and you purchase a mobile phone. After swiping your card, the money gets debited from your account and gets credited to the Yes Bank. In this case, is the shopkeeper. So here what happens is, Visa would charge around 0.4 to 0.9%, whereas Rupay charges a flat fee of 90 paise, in which 60 paise from the issuing bank and 30 paise from the acquiring bank. Additionally, the biggest advantage for the banks is the operating cost advantage. While issuing new cards, banks need to pay charges to the payment network. In case of Visa and MasterCard, Indian banks have to pay a quarterly fee to be a part of their network. But Rupay being an Indian payment network, banks need not pay any fee for issuing new cards. Secondly, the privacy concern. Visa being an overseas company, customers' data are processed internationally and hence the risk of data theft is high. But in case of Rupay, its cards are more secure because its operations are limited within India only. Because of which, Visa started losing its market share so badly that it also raised a concern to US government regarding Rupay interrupting their market share and disturbing the decades-old monopoly laid by them. From 14% in 2017 to 60% in 2021, one of the key reasons was when our Honorable Prime Minister announced the Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana scheme. In this scheme, when a person opens a bank account, the debit card he or she will receive will be powered by Rupay only. As in 2015, there were around 18 crore bank accounts, and by 2021, the number jumped to 43 crores. During this time frame, 31 crore Rupay cards were issued. So why were so many bank accounts opened under this scheme when you could open a bank account directly by approaching the bank? So it's not just the scheme which has led the rise of Rupay, but it's the facility which it offers, like no minimum balance, interest, insurance, and the overdrafting facility. As Rupay is a government entity, the government can do any customization with it to enhance the quality of payment services. And one of the primary reasons of Visa to worry is that they have no control over banks for issuing new cards to the customer. For an example, if a bank named ABC in India wants a payment network for the debit and credit cards, they will approach to various payment networks which will include Visa, Rupay and MasterCard. As banks in India will give priority to Rupay first as it's an Indian company, Rupay has a higher probability to get the contract from the bank. So that's it for the video guys. I hope you liked the video. If you have any suggestions, do comment me down in the comment box. Till then, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.